Good morning, good evening, good afternoon. Welcome, my wonderful YouTube family. I want to say to you today that it is so good to be able to communicate with you, and I want to remind you to please make certain that you like, comment, subscribe to our channel. It is a blessing to be able to share with you a wonderful word of encouragement today from Psalm number 62, beginning at verse 5. The word of the Lord reveals, "My soul, wait in silence for God only, for my hope is from him. He only is my rock and my salvation, my stronghold. I shall not be shaken. On God my salvation and my glory rest. The rock of my strength, my refuge is in God." So I want to say to you today, our thought for the day is put it all on God. When we put it all on God, He's going to make certain that He's there for us. He's going to make certain that He strengthens us, guides us, and leads us to do the things that are most pleasing unto Him. Wherever you are today, whatever is hurting you, whoever is bothering you, put it all on God. If you're dealing with sickness or disease, put it all on God. If you need the Lord to help you come through a tough time, maybe some challenge that is really putting a great deal of pressure on you, put it all on God. Trust in Jesus Christ. He's there for you. He's going to help you. He's going to give you the strength to overcome. Put your faith in Him. He promised to never leave or forsake us. And when you put your trust in Him, He's going to always be there for you. I want to encourage you. Continue to pray daily. Continue to study His Word daily. Live by that Word. It works. It's alive. The Bible declares His Word is quick and powerful and sharper than any two-edged sword. It pierces even to the dividing asunder of soul and spirit, and of the joints and marrows, and discerns the thoughts and the intents of our heart. That means whatever we are thinking about, whatever we are intending to think about, God already knows. Put it all on God. Your enemies, put them on God. Your troubles and trials, put it all on God. He's the one that's able to even speak to the wind and the rain and the storm and say, "Peace, be still." And if He can say that to a storm, then He can also say, "Peace, be still," to the problems and the challenges in your life. So I encourage you today, put it all on God. In the name of Jesus Christ, God bless you.